Yes, I think we are live. We are live now. Okay. So today's class, let me know if I'm properly audible to each one of you. Let me know if you can hear me properly. Just give a thumbs up in a comment box if you can hear me properly. I can see some of them are already there attending the class. Let me know if you can hear me properly. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me properly. Do it fast so that we start our class as soon as possible. I am very excited to start this class. Can we start? Yes. Just give me a thumbs up so that I do understand. Yes, yes. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah. So today's class is going to be a special class. The special because this is the first class of this new academic year. This is the first time I am coming live for this particular year. And we are going to start with mathematics, subject mathematics, which most of you find it difficult. And the chapter which we have chosen is ratio and proportion. As for a reduced syllabus for the examination to be conducted in month of February and March 2023, there is some reduction from this chapter. So we are going to not consider the reduced part or the omitted part. You can see that I have selected a question bank over here. This question bank along with PYQs. PYQ is your previous year questions, or in simple term board questions. We are going to take that. We are not going to take many questions. We are going to take only handpick 15 questions, and I can assure you that these 15 questions cover the entire chapter ratio and proportion, right? Don't worry, I'll share this PDF in the description box once my class is over, so you can use this PDF for your revision purpose, or even you can take out a printout so that you revise this from time to time. Now you see that the difficulty level of these questions are like, I will say that all these questions are either equivalent to the question which are asked in the board examination, or max I can assure you that difficulty level is 10% extra. So whatever questions you get in your board examination, maybe these questions are 10% extra difficult, more difficult than what you get in your board examination. And one thing again I will like to repeat, that these 15 questions cover the entire syllabus, covers the entire syllabus. What is omitted from here? Okay, what is omitted from ratio and proportion? So application based question. Now some teachers and some students read it wrongly as application based question means what, word problem. No. See, the question number 8 is a word problem. Two numbers are in a ratio, but this is not deleted because it is related to numbers. So what is omitted? Application based question. That means there is a question in your textbook. It is there in all the textbook, whether you are using a Selina textbook or you are using R.S. Agarwal, M.L. Agarwal, or Frank. There is a regiment in which soldiers are in this ratio. A war has taken place. So after the war, this many soldiers died and all. Okay, so these kind of application based questions are omitted. Rest all will be there. First, we will try to concentrate only on the ratio part. Only on the ratio part. I hope you can see the screen properly. No problem as far as visibility is concerned. Is everything okay? Okay, Rajvi Tare, Butterfly. Hello, Dishita Joshi. Good evening to each one of you. Yes, good evening to each one of you. Now, ratio and proportion. This chapter can be divided into two parts. One part is the ratio and other part is the proportion. Today we are going to concentrate on the ratio part. Are you ready with your notebook, pen? And can we start with question number 1? Can we start discussing these properties? Because ratio is based upon these property. I want your comments to be continuously flowing in. Don't stop putting your comments, right? So that I will feel like, in generally in a live class I interact with the students in the offline class, but when I'm going online, so it is a comment by which we are connected to one another, right? So properties, this property. Now remember that I'll just discuss this property before we start. So ratio and proportion. So we are going to talk only about ratios today. Proportion, maybe tomorrow or in next class we will talk about proportion. What is ratio? If I write A is to B, if I write A is to B, this is my ratio. The other form in which this ratio can be expressed is A by B. I hope you all know this. Okay? And in ratio and proportion, as per the reduced syllabus, you have a question of what kind. There are two ratios which are equal. First ratio is A by B or A is to B, and second ratio is C by D, or in other words you can say C is to D. Okay, and these two ratios are equal. These two ratios are equal, right? And then follows the property. You should know this property properly. There are 5 properties. Property number 1 is invertendo. Property number 2 is alternando. Property number 3 is componendo. And property number 4 is componendo and dividendo. Okay. All nendo, endo. Okay. Whatever. Okay. तो ये आप लोगों को प्रॉपर्टी बाय हार्ट होना चाहिए. You should be thorough with this property. As name suggests, invertendo. Invertendo means what? You see your left hand side is A by B. When this becomes reverse, that is B by A, and right hand side is C by D, this becomes D by C. Then property is called the invertendo. Sir, can you prove this property for us? Definitely. Okay, definitely I can prove the property. How to prove this property? Just cross multiplication. If you cross multiply, what will happen? D will come here, okay, and A will come here. A and D have swapped their position, they have interchanged their position. And what about this C and B have interchanged their position. Okay, this is exactly what we have got, but we need to change our sign. So right hand side is first written here, B by A is equal to what? D by C. So first property, how can you get? By a simple cross multiplication. That's it. Not a big deal. All right. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Let me know. And also you have to tell me, how do you get this second property, which is the alternando? What is alternando? Look here. Numerator of first ratio is A, and the numerator of second ratio is what? C. So as per this property of alternando, we take a new ratio of two numerators. And this ratio is equal to what? Is equal to ratio of what? Ratio of the denominator, that is B by D. This property is called alternando. Numerator upon numerator of first ratio is equal to denominator upon denominator of the second ratio, right? And how can you get this? Again by a cross multiplication. Over here, two terms have just, by cross multiplication, they have just changed their position, right? Okay, Prithvi, Shetty, right? I hope you are understanding this, because I am not only showing you the property, but also I am trying to explain you how do you get this property. Now next 3 properties are those properties which we are going to use frequently. How to prove this? Okay, proof, anyway proof will not be asked in the examination, but if you know the proof, it becomes very easy for you to remember it, retain it in your mind, and to recollect when you are writing your examination. Look here, first ratio is A by B and second ratio is what? C by D. If you add 1 to left hand side and 1 to the right hand side, on adding 1 on both sides, okay, what will happen? You will get this property. How? No denominator, so 1 by 1 and cross multiply. What do you get? A into 1 plus B into 1 upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. Isn't it easy, this property? And what about dividendo? It is same. Only difference is that you don't add 1 on the both side. Tell me what you do for dividendo. Okay, we have Elon Musk, then Paru Rao, Arav Ghoshi, Kifu. I think Kifu, Arav Ghoshi, they were there last year also. And what? Ir. What is this Ir? Okay, anyway. I hope this is not the real name. This is just a pet name or some name by which you create your ID. Otherwise, how your friends will call you? Ir. Okay, anyway. Thanks everyone for joining this class. But if you subtract 1 on both sides, okay, you will get a property of what? Dividend. Right? Then property of componendo A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. And property of dividendo A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. Let us say this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. When you divide these two equations, when you divide equation 1 and equation 2, what you will get? This B and B will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, and you get A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. I hope you are understanding these properties, because next 15 sums which we are going to solve will be based upon these properties. In your textbook, you will see that there are certain numericals which depend upon the property other than these 5 properties. That is invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo, and last componendo and dividendo. But now all the parts, okay, all the parts from your textbook which does not depend upon these properties, that has been eliminated. For examination to be conducted in 2023 from ratio, what you have is only these. Okay, you have only these 5 properties. Is it fine? Is it fine? Let me know. Okay, Elon Musk is saying okay sir. Butterfly, yes sir. Okay, so here we go with question number 1. Now let us start with question number 1. So here I have question number 1. There are 2 parts to this question number 1. Look here, what is the given information? What is the given information? Okay, just a minute. Fine. So we have this information. X by Y is equal to what? 3 by 5. Okay, there are 2 sub questions to this question number 1. What we require first is 2x plus 3y upon 2x minus 3y. If you see the structure of this question, it looks like which property we are going to use. Just tell me. We have seen 5 properties. क्या लगता है आपको कौन सा property यहाँ पर use होगा? Okay, we have 5 properties over here. Okay, कौन सा, क्या ये match हो रहा है? क्या a plus b upon b? That structure और इसमें का कौन सा structure match होता है? Please type in the comment box. Okay, please type in the comment box. Okay, 2x plus 3y upon 2x minus 3y, plus in the numerator and minus in the denominator. I want to know which property. Fine. So x, we have a number 2 with x and number 3 with y. So what I am going to do, this is x by y and this is 3 by 5. I want 2 along with x, so I multiply 2 in the numerator of left hand side to maintain this equality. To maintain this equality in math, whatever operation you perform on the left hand side, same thing you have to do on right hand side also. So 2 on the right hand side, correct? And what? Along with y, I want 3. So to make it 3y, I will multiply y by 3. As I told you, if you multiply 3 in the denominator, left hand side, same thing you have to do in the right hand side also. If at all any cancellation is possible, please go ahead and do it. So this 3 and 3 got cancelled, right? Try and try to keep numbers as small as possible, as small as possible. Okay. So what is this? 2x upon 3y. So I have brought successfully x along with 2 and 3 along with y. And what is my right hand side? That is 2 by 5. I want 2x plus y upon 2x minus 3y. Now I will use property of by which property? Yes, componendo and dividendo. Elon Musk, componendo and dividendo. Butterfly. Ir. Okay, Shlok Shetty, I suppose. Dishita, yes, componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. Right? So here I am just one step away from my answer. 2x plus 3y upon 2x minus 3y. Yes, this is the property of componendo. Right hand side is what? 2 plus 5 upon 2 minus 5. Okay, so 2 plus 5 is 7 and 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So this is your answer. This is your answer. Have this habit of blocking your answer. Okay, make it eye catching. Help your teacher to give you good marks. Right? I hope you are understanding it. Correct? Did anyone get another answer, some answer which is different from my answer? We'll discuss that also. Okay? Come here. We are solving part B. Again, let us start with the given information. Always and always in ratio and proportion, you start with the information which is given. So it is given that x upon y is 3 upon 5. Now what do I want? Do I want x? No, I want x square. I want 3 along with x square. I don't want y. I want y square. Okay, and 2 along with y square. So what am I doing is, I am taking squares on both sides. Square on left hand side and square on the right hand side. So what is my answer? X square by y square is equal to 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25, right? And along with x square, what do I want? I want 3. I want 3. Okay, 3x square. So 3 in the numerator of left hand side and 3 in the numerator of the right hand side. And with y square I want 2. So multiply 2 in the denominator of LHS and RHS. Please make sure that if any calculation or reduction is possible, you have to do it. But I don't think so. Any reduction is possible over here. 3 into x square is 3x square. 2 into y square is 2y square. No cancellation possible. 9 into 3 is 27 and 25 into 2 is 50. Which property I am going to use now? Again same property, componendo and dividendo. So according to this property, I get numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator is equal to what? A square plus b upon a square minus b. A plus b upon a minus b is equal to what? 27 plus 50 upon 27 minus 50. Okay. Therefore, 3x square plus 2y square upon 3x square minus 2y square is, how much is this? 77. And how much is this? Is it 20 what? 2? Is it 22? No, 23. It is what? 23. That too, bigger number is 50. So minus. Is this my final answer? No. Look at the question carefully. You have minus in the numerator, but my answer has minus in the denominator. And plus in the denominator is a question, but I have a plus. Where? I have plus in numerator. So I need to do one more step. What is that step? This is ulta. I want to make it sulta. उल्टे को मुझे क्या करना है, सीधा करना है. तो what I will use, which property I will use? Okay, chalo, tell me property. Type the yes, students are already giving the answer. Property is what? Rajvi, it is not alternando. Which is that property? उल्टे को सीधा करना है. Which is that property? 3x square minus 2y square upon 3x square plus 2y square is what? Minus 23 goes in the numerator and 77 in the denominator. Which is this property? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Which is this property? Yes, 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 yes. All students are giving me correct answer now. Okay, this property is property of invertendo. Property of invertendo. See, this property of invertendo was so very helpful for us. Right? It was so much helpful for us. Just have a look and let me know if you have any doubt. Okay. But before we move on to next question, I want to bring your attention to this law of indices. Okay, just concentrate on this law of indices. According to that law, okay, according to law of indices, okay, if your fraction a by b is negative, if it is negative, I hope you can see this red color. Or should I change the color? Okay, I'll change color to white. If your fraction is negative, you are allowed to write this negative sign in the numerator or in the denominator also. You can write this negative sign in the denominator also. Or best thing is just put a negative sign in front of the fraction. So this fraction is negative. You can put a sign in the denominator. If you want, you can put it just in front of the ratio or in the numerator also. But एक चीज का ध्यान देना, तीनों जगह साइन नहीं डालना, न्यूमरेटर also, denominator also, and in front also. You will have one minus sign, you can put it anywhere. Have you understood this question number first? Let me know. Okay, Gompachiro. Acha, Gampachiro. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. For first time I have heard name like this. So I was bit confused. Okay. Can we start? Can we start with second question? Second question is a proof. Second question is a proof. Are you ready? Are you understanding it? Are you getting it? Let me know. Let me know. Okay. Can we start? Can we start? See, this is the another easy question. Again, given condition is same. Again, the given condition is same. A by B is equal to C by D. Here you don't have to find or you don't have to evaluate or find the value. Instead, you have to show LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? Please keep in mind that in this chapter, that is ratio and proportion, you will always start with the given information. Okay, that is tip from my side. Always start from a given information. Here given information is A by B is equal to C by D. Almost all the sums, okay, from this chapter will start with the given information. Okay, so given information is A by B is equal to C by D. I want I want 3 with A and 5 with B. Tell me what am I expected to do? What will I do? I want A along with 3. So I multiply 3 in the numerator. That 3 I have to multiply in the numerator of RHS also. So 3C, yes, it's working. It's working. It's of use to me. Then 5B. So multiply 5 here and 5 here. 5D. Yes. Okay. This is also helpful for me. So I have 3A plus 3A upon 5B is equal to 3C upon 5D. What I want? 3A minus 5B upon 3A plus 5B. So my property is property of componendo and dividendo. componendo and dividendo. This is the property which you use most of the time. और एक बात और बता दूं, अगर आप लोग इस सम में इन रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन इफ यू स्टक समवेयर, कहीं आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है व्हाट टू डू, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज just use property of componendo and dividendo. So what do I get? I get 3a plus 5b upon 3a minus 5b is equal to 3c plus 5d upon 3c minus 5d. But what? Okay, look here at the question. Look here at the question. यही चाहिए, लेकिन मुझे ये ऐसा नहीं, उल्टा चाहिए. ओके, मुझे मिला है सुल्टा, मुझे चाहिए उल्टा. राइट, सो विच प्रॉपर्टी नाउ, विच प्रॉपर्टी नाउ, विच प्रॉपर्टी कैन यू टेल मी? मुझे सीधा मिला है. ओके, एंड प्लीज कीप इन माइंड दैट आप लोग माइनस ऊपर और प्लस नीचे नहीं यूज कर सकते. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन, माइनस ऊपर और प्लस नीचे नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं. We don't have a property of dividendo and componendo. You don't have a property of dividendo and componendo. So first you will use same property, और उसके बाद yes, all my scholars are giving me this answer. By which property? By property of invertendo. By property of invertendo. This 3a minus 5b upon 3a plus 5b will be equal to what? 3c minus 5d upon 3c plus 5d. This is exactly what I have to prove. This is the exactly what I have to prove. If you prove whatever you want to prove, तो आप लोगों का ऑटोग्राफ देना भूलना नहीं है. ओके, autograph in a form of hence proved. Autograph in a form of hence proved. Write in the comment box, have you given your autograph to this question? If you have given this, I can go on to the next question. That is question number 3. That is question number 3. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Okay. Let's move on to question number 3. Okay, if you don't have this question bank, don't worry. If my class is over, as and when my class is over, I'll make sure that I upload this PDF in the description box. You can download it from a description box, right? Okay, now this is a reverse question. अभी अभी जो solve किया था उसका ये उल्टा question है. Generally, a by b is equal to c by d. छोटा वाला value was a given information, and बड़ा वाला value is what we have to find. But यहाँ उल्टा है. Okay, बड़ा वाला value दिया and we have to find out a smaller value. Okay, so if के बाद जो भी लिखा हुआ है, whatever is written after if, that is always your given information. Okay, if के बाद जो जो लिखा होगा if के बाद, that is given, और that के बाद जो लिखा होता है, that is proof. That is what your proof. All right, all right. Okay, so what will be my first step? Look here, what will be my first step? Okay, so this is a given information. मैं क्या करूंगा, a और b को लेफ्ट साइड में रखता हूं. I'll keep a on b on left hand side, c and d on the right hand side. So ये प्रोडक्ट का इक्वालिटी जो है, I'll convert this into a ratio by cross multiplication. So this is 4a plus 9b. By cross multiplication, okay, this becomes 4a minus 9b, okay, upon 4a minus 9b. So what is left here? 4c plus 9d by cross multiplication, okay, 4c minus 9d. Have you understood this step? Just cross multiplication किया है मैंने, and I have tried to keep a and b on the left hand side and c and d on the right hand side. Have you understood this? Have you understood this? Let me know. Let me know. Have you understood this? Okay. Okay. So here we go. Okay. Students are saying yes. Prithvi Pujari, yes. Elon Musk, not Musk. Elon Musk. Okay. Shlok Shetty, yes. Butterfly, yes sir. Dishita Joshi, yes sir. Okay. आगे आपको तो पता ही है what we have to do. By componendo and dividendo. Okay, by componendo and dividendo. And dividendo. What do you get? What do you get? Okay, numerator is 4a plus 9b plus denominator is 4a minus 9b. A plus b upon a minus b, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Use brackets because there are two values, 4a minus 9b on right hand side. On right hand side, okay, same thing, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So 4c plus 9d upon 4c minus 9d plus here, okay, and in denominator minus 4c plus 90 minus 4c minus 90. Okay, let's see here. I'll This is a first sum, so I'll do this in a great detail. Open the bracket with a plus sign. Open the bracket with a plus sign. When you open the bracket with a plus sign, positive 4a will remain positive 4a. Negative 9b will remain negative 9b. Denominator 4a plus 9b. Now be careful. Now be careful, because when you open the bracket with a minus sign, positive 4a will become negative 4a, and negative 9b will become positive 9b. Same thing here. When you open the bracket with a plus sign, no change in the sign as far as positive and negative sign is concerned, but denominator. Okay, so minus sign plus 4c will become minus 4c, and minus 90 will become plus 90. Look here carefully now. Minus 9b plus 9b get cancelled. Plus 4a minus 4a get cancelled. Here what? Plus 90 minus 90 plus 4 9c and minus 9c. Okay. So one thing I want you all to be very careful about is when you open the bracket. When you open the bracket with a plus sign. When you open the bracket with a plus sign, no change in the sign. Okay, but with the minus sign get changed. Now here 4a plus 4a is 8a, 9b plus 9b is 18b, is equal to what? Again here 8c upon 18d. Okay, 8 and 8 get cancelled from the numerator. Okay, 18 and 18 also get cancelled. So what am I left with? A upon b is equal to c upon d. और यही तो मुझे प्रूव करना है. A is to b is equal to c is to d. हाँ, यही मुझे प्रूव करना है. This is what I want. I have got what I deserve. What I want to determine. Okay, what I want to find. This is a proof. So I'll give my autograph at the end, which is hence proved. Okay, if you want to have a look at this entire sum, so this is in front of you. Okay, and please remember that 1 mark when teacher correct your paper, 1 mark is reserved for a final answer. तो क्वेश्चन में अगर रेशियो दिया हुआ, इफ क्वेश्चन इज इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ अ रेशियो, और अगर आप लोग लिखोगे a बाई बी इज इक्वल टू सी बाई डी, अगर ये प्रूव करोगे तो यू हैव नॉट रीच द फाइनल स्टेप. जो उन्होंने बोला है वो नहीं किया है, so you will lose your 1 mark. If this question is asked for 3 marks, you will get only 2 marks. So please make sure that whatever is asked, okay, you you get the same answer. Is it fine? Are you getting it? Have you understood it? Have you understood it? Can I move on to next sum, please? Can I continue? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know if you have any doubt. Okay. Okay. Amogus. Understood. Okay. Fine. So let's move on to next question. Let move on to next question, which is question number what? 4. Question number 4. Fine. Okay. Do you want to try this? There are two parts. And if you see previous year questions, yes, we are going to solve PY cubes, that is board questions, which was asked in the examination, which your seniors, okay, they have solved the question. तो आप लोग देखेंगे इस चैप्टर में बहुत बार दो क्वेश्चंस आए. Okay, Sometime one question is from ratio and other question is from proportion. But if you see paper of 2018, 19 and 20, 2018, 19 and 20, both the question was asked from the ratio wala part. So ratio part is very, very important. Okay. Chalo, what will be the first step? Tell me what will be the first step. Here I don't have x. Okay, x upon y is given as 2 by 3, isn't it? Isn't it? Do I want x? No, I want x square and y square. So take squares on both sides. So I am getting x square upon y square is what? 3, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Now look here, x square के साथ number है 5, y square के साथ number है 3. X square, bring 5 with x square and bring 3 with y square. So 5 in the numerator of LHS, so 5 in the numerator of RHS, 3 in the denominator of LHS, so 3 also in the denominator of the RHS. Are you getting it? If cancellation is possible, cancel it. Otherwise, you can continue. Cancellation is not possible, so this is 5x square upon 3y square is equal to what? 4 into 5 is 20 and 9 into 3 is 27. We see again denominator का number numerator से बड़ा है. 27 is greater than 20. Okay, so we are going to get a negative answer. Okay, fine. Use componendo and dividendo by componendo and dividendo. And dividend. What is my answer? What is my answer? My answer is 5x square plus 3y square upon 5x square minus 3y square is equal to numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So this is 47 and this is minus 7, which is my final answer. Are you getting the same answer? Are you getting the same answer? Okay. Are you getting the same answer? Okay, here we have to do invertendo, right? यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने invertendo नहीं किया है. Okay. So number will also change. Number will change. Okay, number will change. ये 77 जाएगा denominator में because we have taken invertendo on the left hand side. So you have to take invertendo and right hand side also. Right hand side also. Have you understood this? Okay, so same thing here. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Please go back. Please make sure that, okay, you change this answer from question number 1B wala part. Okay, so when you change the fraction from the left hand side, you also have to change it from the right hand side. So what is the answer over here? What is the answer? What, आ गया हमारा क्वेश्चन. ओके गया. यहाँ तो इन्वर्टेंडो नहीं करना. सो दिस इज द आंसर 47 by -7. Minus you can write in the denominator, you can write in a numerator also in front of a fraction, right? चलो बी वाला पार्ट करेंगे. अगेन सेम, ओनली डिफरेंस इज दैट स्क्वायर के जगह आ गया क्यूब. x by y is 2 by 3. आई वॉन्ट क्यूब एज वेल एज 3. तो पहले क्यूब लो, 3 बाद में लो. अगर पहले ही 3 लोगे देन यू टेक अ क्यूब, तो 3 का भी क्यूब बन जाएगा. Don't take 3 first and cube afterwards. Otherwise, 3 cube will be applied to 3 also. So first I am taking a cube on both the sides. So I am getting x cube upon y cube is equal to 2 cube, which is 8, and 3 cube, which is 27. 3 cube, which is 27, right? Now I want 3. Now I want 3 with x. So 3 multiplied on left hand side, 3 multiplied on right hand side, and 2y. So 2 and 2 multiplied in the denominator of both these sides. Okay, so left hand side is what? 3x cube upon 2y cube. Correct? Here cancellation is possible. 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 9 is 27. So 4 upon 9. Now which property? Okay, property of componendo and dividendo. Therefore 3x cube plus 2y cube upon 3x cube minus 2y cube. And again denominator is bigger than a numerator. So we are going to get a negative answer. Okay, minus 9. 9 plus 4 is 13 and 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So this is the answer. Are you getting the same answer or something else? Yes. Okay, are you getting the same answer? Fine. Right? Any doubt, let me know. Otherwise, we will continue. Please make sure that you are not just attending the class, but you are attending with your notebook and pen. With your notebook and pen. Okay, you have to attend your class with your notebook and pen. Fine. Chalo, let us continue. Let us continue. Next question. Do it properly, because later on other chapters, okay, from geometry section and all might be little bit challenging as compared to this one. See, these kind of questions are nowadays, okay. If you see last 3-year paper, this question were asked. This kind of questions were asked on a regular basis. See here, we have to solve. Solve means what? See, look at this equation. How many variables are there? Only one variable, that is x. Solve means what? We have to find the value of x. What is value of x? That is what we have to find. Okay. So this is my question. Okay. Please write your question. LHS is equal to RHS. Please start with a question. Then use a property. By what? Componendo and dividendo. By componendo and what? Dividendo. What will happen? What will happen? Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Numerator is what? Under root 4x plus 3 plus under root x plus 1. Numerator plus denominator. What is denominator? Root 4x plus 3 minus root x plus 1. And denominator will be, okay, after using componendo and dividendo, will be numerator minus denominator. Correct? We know that. Okay, so right hand side is 3 plus 2, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Now fraction will be positive because we have bigger number in the numerator. Okay. Chalo, when I open the bracket, okay, suppose if I open the bracket, this term will become negative and this will become positive. See what is going to be cancelled. Jara dhyan dena. This plus under root x plus 1 and minus under root x plus 1 got cancelled. Okay, and this denominator say under root 4x plus 3 and minus 4x plus 3 will get cancelled. And what will be your answer? Okay, root 4x plus 3 plus again root 4x plus 3, so that become twice of root 4x plus 3. Like m plus m becomes 2m, same way root 4x plus 3 plus root 4x plus 3 will become 2 under root 4x plus 3. And denominator, see this is plus and minus will become plus. So twice under root x plus 1 is equal to what? 3 plus 2 is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2 and 2 got cancelled. Now what? Okay, we have a root on the left hand side. Okay, so to cancel this, I'll take square on both the sides. Square on left hand side and square on the right hand side. So here root and square will get cancelled. Right now root and square is cancelled. And what am I left with? I am left with, okay, 4x plus 3 upon x plus 1 is equal to what? 5 square is 25, 1 square is 1. Okay. Now what? See here, if I cross multiply, so please make sure that there are two terms. So write a bracket, because when you open the bracket, numbers are multiplied by both the terms. So 5 into x 25 into x is 25x plus 25 into 1 is 25 is equal to what? 1 into 4x is 4x plus 1 into 3 is 3. Therefore, 25x minus 4x is equal to 25 is equal to I have a 3 on right hand side. This 25 will 25x, okay, 3 minus 25. So this is 21x is equal to what? 22. In fact, minus 22. Therefore, x is equal to what? Minus 22 by 21. Minus 22 by 21. So this is the answer. But as per, okay, what do you want? You have to solve for x, value of x. What does ICSE say? You are not allowed, okay, to write a bigger number in the numerator and smaller number in the denominator. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इसको इसको हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करते, डिवाइड करते, okay? See here, you have to write answer either in a decimal point or in a fraction. 22 divided by 21. 21 into 21 is 21 into 1 is 21. 22 minus this is 1. So 1 by 21. Okay. So my answer is negative 1. Negative 1. 1 by 21. Please don't leave answer like this. Okay. Minus 22 by 21. Because as per, if you see, go to website, okay, maths का syllabus देखेंगे reduce, they clearly instruct you, you are not allowed to keep a bigger number in a numerator and smaller number in the denominator. Okay, so we are finding ratio होता तो ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हम लोग. If we are finding out a ratio, so 21, 22 by 21 is a ratio, but here we are not finding out a ratio, but we have to find out the value of x. Solve, okay? So this is the answer. Is it fine? Is it fine? Smarty, got it, sir. Okay. Chalo. Let's move on to next question. That is question number 6. Do you want to try this? Okay, ये question देखो, एकदम ध्यान से देखो and try to pick out things from here. Okay, और इसमें से कुछ ना कुछ देखो, कुछ ना कुछ ढूंढो. Okay, see what are you getting. Here I have a cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b plus b cube. If you see this term, don't you think ये इससे कुछ मिलता जुलता है? A plus b the whole cube. What is formula? Isn't it a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube? करेक्ट. तो यही तो टर्म है, ये सेम टर्म है. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज अ फॉर्मूला इन केस व्हेन यू हैव अ माइनस a minus b the whole cube? वेरी इजी, सेम फॉर्मूला. ओनली थिंग इज दैट साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. ऑल्टरनेट प्लस एंड माइनस साइन. फर्स्ट टर्म इज प्लस, second term is minus, then alternately third term is plus and fourth term is minus. Formula will be a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, right? तो चलो ठीक है. Right, start with the question first. Start with this question first, then write by componendo and dividendo. By componendo and dividendo. See what you get. See what you get. In numerator, you will be getting a cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b plus b cube. Okay. Numerator plus denominator upon what? Numerator minus denominator is equal to, right hand side is 536 plus 193. Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Okay, bigger number in the numerator, smaller number in the denominator. Okay, तो पॉजिटिव आंसर आने वाला है. When you open the bracket, okay, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, ये तो बन गया a plus b the whole cube वाला formula, isn't it? And look here, a cube minus 3a square b minus, both become minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So denominator में you get formula a minus b the whole cube. And what is this? 9, 12, 7, 29. Yes, this is also perfect cube. 536, 6 minus 3 is 3, and 12, 13 minus 9 is 4, and 343. Okay, very good. This is what? A plus b the whole cube upon a minus b the whole cube. What is 729? Is it cube of 9? Isn't it cube of 9? And 343, is it cube of 7? Is it cube of 7? That was cube of 7, right? So ये मिल गया. If you take cube root on both sides, ये cube and cube will get cancelled on taking cube roots on both sides. So what do you have now? Now you have a plus b upon a minus b is equal to what? Such a bigger value have become a smaller value, 9 by 7. We have nothing else left. We want what? Okay, find a by b. So either you can use componendo or and dividendo, or you can just cross multiply. या तो आप लोग आगे componendo dividendo use कर सकते हैं, या just cross multiply, still you will get the answer. I am choosing to use a property of componendo and dividendo. I am using a property of componendo and dividendo, right? So what is my answer? A plus b plus numerator plus denominator. Denominator is a minus b upon a plus b minus a minus b is equal to 9 plus 7 upon 9 minus 7. Okay. When I open the bracket, okay, when I open the bracket here, प्लस में तो कुछ चेंज नहीं होता है, प्लस से ब्रैकेट ओपन करो इट इज सेम, बट माइनस से ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो प्लस ए विल बिकम माइनस ए एंड माइनस बी विल बिकम प्लस बी. 9 plus 7 is what? Is it 16? And 9 minus 7 is 2. Plus b minus b get cancelled, plus a minus a get cancelled. So this is a plus a is 2a, and b plus b is 2b, is equal to 2 into 1 is 1, and 2 into 8 is 16. 8 by 1. Okay, 2 get cancelled. Do I need to find out a by b or a is to b? I need to find out a by b. So my answer, okay, a by b. Okay. My answer a by b is equal to 8 by 1. आंसर रेशियो में नहीं पूछा है. ओके, आंसर रेशियो में इस टू में नहीं पूछा, रेशियो में पूछा है. सो यू आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू राइट आंसर इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ इस टू ओनली. आर यू गेटिंग इट? मजा आ रहा है? ओके, यस यस. एमोगस a by b is 8 by 1. Absolutely. Smarty, a by b is equal to 8. Right? 8 by 1. Please don't write answer in a ratio, because question ratio में नहीं पूछा, otherwise you are inviting a trouble. आपका एक मार्क कट जाएगा. All right. Okay. How it is 9 by 7? Okay, I think he or she is giving this answer 9 by 7. Correct? Okay, let's move on to next question, that is question number 7. Question number 7, an interesting question, a very interesting question. That is question number 7. See here, see here. Okay, okay, see here, see here, see here carefully. Nice question. Okay, I'll rewrite it. X cube plus y cube is 2 means upon x square plus y square is greater than, okay, mathematical sign of inequality, greater than what? X square plus y square upon x plus y. Correct? This is inequality which is given, and you have to show x square plus y square greater than 2xy. Looks difficult, let us check. Okay, दो टर्म है तो it is advisable कि use a bracket. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, क्रॉस स्टार्ट विद अ क्वेश्चन, स्टार्ट विद अ क्वेश्चन. ओके, देन दिस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो व्हाट डू यू गेट? एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई is greater than what? X square plus y square into again x square plus y square. So I am just putting a whole square. Now open the bracket. मैं पहले x cube लूंगा, फिर this x plus y. I hope you know this. I'm solving each and every step. तो some student, okay, those who find maths difficult, उनको ये difficult नहीं लगेगा. What is this? X square into x is x raised to 4 plus x cube into y is x cube y. Y cube into x, we will write answer in the alphabetic order. X पहले y बाद में. Plus y cube into y is y raised to 4 greater than. Right hand side solve नहीं किया. Okay, formula a plus b the whole square. What is formula for a plus b the whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so same formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A की जगह पर है मेरे पास x square and in place of b I have y square. So what am I getting? X raised to 4 plus 2x square y square plus y raised to 4. Now look at the right hand side and left hand side carefully. Okay, here on subtracting y raised to 4 on both sides, this will get cancelled. Then x raised to 4 cancel from both sides, y raised to 4 cancel from both sides. क्या बचा मेरे पास? So I am left with x cube y plus xy cube is greater than 2x square y square. Have a look at what we have to prove. Okay, if I divide each term by xy, what am I left with? क्या मिलेगा मुझे? Do I get my answer? Let us check. Okay, let us check. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? This y and y got cancelled. Here x and x got cancelled. X square means there are 2x. Denominator में एक x है, तो numerator में एक x बचेगा. So we cancel x from here and this square sign from there. Here also, okay. And x cube upon x, numerator में 3x है, denominator में एक x है, तो एक एक x कट करेंगे तो 2x बचेंगे numerator में. Means I am left with x square plus same thing here y cube, okay, and y. So y square greater than 2xy. This is exactly what I want. So I am giving my autograph here. Hence proved. Are you getting it? Let me know. Are you getting it? Yes? Are you getting it? Any doubt? Let me know. Otherwise, I'll move on to my next question. Have a look at this complete sum. Okay, first what I did, first I have cross multiplied. Then what? Opening the bracket, then cancelling a similar term and dividing each term by xy. Right? Can we continue? Let's move on to next question. I hope each one of you is attending this class with your proper notebook and pen. Fine. Come to this question. Okay. Two numbers are in ratio 3:5. And I have to find those same number. Find the number. So what I will say let required numbers. The number which are required. Okay. Let the required numbers be what? I want two numbers. So my first number is x and second number is y. Two numbers are in ratio 3:5. That means x upon y, ratio of this two number is 3/5. Isn't it? This is 3/5. So what I am doing is I am keeping x. I will change y in terms of x. When I cross multiply, this will become 3y upon 5. Have you understood this, what I have done? By cross multiplication or by multiplying y on both sides. If y is multiplied on left hand side, y get cancelled and right hand side will become 3y/5. Okay. Then if 8 is added to each number, okay, let us say this is x and y, my original number. If 8 is added to both x and y, my new ratio, okay, ratio becomes 2/3. चलो इसको भी सॉल्व करते, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. Therefore what? 2y ओके, पुट अ ब्रैकेट, क्योंकि दो नंबर्स है, दोनों के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना, अगर एक से ही मल्टीप्लाई करोगे यू विल गो रॉन्ग. 2y plus 16, 2 into y is 2y, 8 into 2 is 16, 3 into x is 3x, plus 8 into 3 is what? 24. Now solve carefully. We will substitute the value of x. I am getting 2y plus 16. चलो ऐसे ही रखते हैं, plus 16. Okay, or let me do this. Okay, I'll take all the terms on one side. Therefore 2y minus 3x plus 16 minus 24, everything is brought to left hand side, so this side, right hand side, will become 0. 2y minus 3x, let me solve the value of, substitute the value of x. From equation number 1 I know x is equal to 3y by 5, 3y by 5, and this is what is it? Minus 8 equal to 0. I have a denominator, उस डिनोमिनेटर को हटाने के लिए, ये 5 को हटाने के लिए I'll multiply a 5, तो 5 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. बट आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू मल्टीप्लाई. एक नंबर को ही मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो बाकी सारे लोग नाराज हो जाएंगे, बोलेंगे अरे ऐसा क्या, सिर्फ उसको. अब हम देखते हैं तुमको आंसर कैसे करेक्ट मिलता है. सो वी विल नॉट अपसेट एनीबॉडी. हर एक टर्म को ओके हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 से. ईच टर्म इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय what? Multiplied by 5. So what am I getting now? 5 into 2, 5 into 2 is 10y, minus 3 into 3 is 9y, minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, 10y minus 9y is y, and minus 4 go to other side, becomes 0 plus 40 is 40. So my second number is 40. What about the first number x? What is x? 3 into y by 5, 3 into 40 by 5, 3 into y by 5. Okay, 5 into 8 is 40. So my second number, okay, I'll do it here. Therefore my second number is 3 into 8, and 3 into 8 is 24. So I'll write my final answer. Required numbers, okay, I have written required numbers are what? 24 and 40. 24 and 40. Have the habit of blocking your answer. Make your answer eye catching. Okay, make your answer eye catching. Any doubt, anybody? Any doubt, anybody? Okay. Yes, have you understood it? If you have understood this sum, please write in a comment box. Okay, please write in the comment box. I'll go to a next question. I'll go to a next question. Are you getting it? Yes. Chalo. If you don't have okay worksheet, don't worry. I'll share this sheet. Share this sheet in the description box. If you want more sums which are as per your reduced syllabus, textbook देखेंगे. Okay, I have a video on YouTube. I have used R.S. Agarwal textbook, and I have given all the exercises, all the questions which are omitted from that textbook. Okay, students were telling me to make a book on video on ML Agarwal book as well as Selena book. Let's see, if I get a time I'll definitely make. Now have a look at this question. These questions are very popular for your preliminary examination. In your pre-board examination, these questions are frequently asked. Okay, look at the question. A is equal to 4xy upon x plus y. X is equal to 4ab upon a plus b. A is equal to 6xy plus upon x plus y. And look at the right hand side. More or less, the method of asking the question is same. So whatever is a question, ये special question है, इसको जरूर ध्यान देना. कुछ भी question होने दो, इसका आंसर हमेशा 2 ही आता. Okay, whatever can be question, इसका आंसर तीनों question, all 3 question have a same answer, that is 4. Please pay attention, क्योंकि ये एग्जाम में question आएगा. Okay, थोड़ा सा difficult है, थोड़ा सा complicated है, but yes, इन योर प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन ये क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली आएगा. ओके, बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन पता नहीं आएगा नहीं आएगा. ओके, वी आर नॉट वरीड अबाउट दैट एज ऑफ नाउ बिकॉज वी हैव टू राइट अ बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन इन द मंथ ऑफ फेब्रुवरी एंड मार्च. ओके, पहले तो हम लोग स्कूल के एग्जाम के ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे एंड वी विल ट्राई टू स्कोर मैक्सिमम इन दी स्कूल एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? So look carefully here, look carefully here. I think I also have a video, okay, जिसमें मैंने ये सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके देखे हैं. What you can do is you can do go to my channel and you can check out a playlist. मैथ्स के प्लेलिस्ट में आपको ये क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. ओके, लास्ट ईयर दिस एग्जाम वाज इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ एमसीक्यू. तो बच्चे लोगों को मैंने बोला बोला बताया था कि इफ यू सी क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस, कुछ आगे पीछे मत देखो, डायरेक्टली सिलेक्ट आंसर दैट इज 2. ओके, तो जस्ट देखो एंड यू कैन गेट आंसर इन व्हाट 3 seconds. एंड 3 seconds इज नॉट फॉर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन बट फॉर रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन, राइट? अब देखेंगे इसका आंसर कैसे करेंगे. ओके, सो प्लीज पे केयरफुल अटेंशन क्योंकि थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है इसका सॉल्यूशन. what am I given with? ओके, मुझे दिया गया है a इज इक्वल टू, जैसे मैंने कहा इन दिस सम, okay, in this chapter ratio and proportion you always start with the given information. Okay, so given is, please pay careful attention, very important question. ओके, बहुत सारे इफ आई हैव सीन प्री बोर्ड के पेपर्स ऑफ मेनी स्कूल्स, ऑलमोस्ट सारे 9 आउट ऑफ 10 स्कूल ने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था. ओके, आई विल स्टार्ट विद अ गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. एक्स प्लस वाई, दो टर्म है एक्स प्लस वाई, सो आई एम यूजिंग अ ब्रैकेट. व्हाट इज हियर a प्लस 3x. ओके, व्हाट a प्लस 3x. सो मैं क्या करता हूँ, व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, ये 3x को देखकर आई एम डिवाइडिंग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बाय 3x and right hand side as 3x. Okay, yeah, in fact multiplying denominator of left hand side and right hand side with 3x. Have you got this? मैं सब कुछ ये देखकर सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. ओके, आई एम keeping a close look at what I have to find out. I have to find a value of this expression. Okay, तो इसको देख देख कर मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. ओके, so what is this? यहाँ से x and x got cancelled, so I am left with what? I am left with, therefore, okay, a upon 3x is equal to what? 6y upon 6y. Okay, not 6y, not 6y, because I can cancel this also, na? Okay, what was here 3. Okay, so 3 into 2 ये भी cancel कर सकते थे. Okay, so 2y, 2y. Okay, 2y. 3 into 2, 3 into 6, 3 into 2 is 6. So 2y upon x plus y. Again, have a look at this question. A plus 3x upon a minus 3x. Okay, look at the design of a question. This is surely a componendo and dividendo. So by componendo and dividendo, by componendo and dividendo, what is this? This is a plus 3x, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator is what? 2y numerator. Okay, single term है, so I am not using a bracket, but इसको bracket use करते हैं. Okay, x plus y upon 2y minus x plus y, right? So what is this now? 2y plus से bracket open किया, no change, but minus से bracket open किया, there is a change. Okay, look carefully now. 2y plus y is 3y plus x upon 2y minus y is y minus x. This is my equation number 1. थोड़ा लंबा क्वेश्चन है तो जरा ध्यान देना. Okay, it's a long question. Okay, again I start with a given information. क्यों? Because I have taken care of this, but इसके बारे में मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला है. Okay, so let us take that. So again I start with a given information, that is a is equal to what? 6xy upon x plus y. Right? यहाँ पर क्या? a plus 3y. So this time I am dividing. Yeah, I am multiplying denominators of both the sides by 3y. So again same operation, 3 into 2 is 6 and y got cancelled. So I am left with a upon 3y is equal to 2x upon x plus y. Compare, almost same है या y था या x था, everything else is same. Again componendo and dividendo, a plus 3y upon a minus 3y, numerator plus denominator is equal to numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So when I open the bracket with the plus sign, no change here. But when I open the bracket with the minus sign, okay, and plus positive x become negative x and negative y became a positive y. 2x plus x is 3x plus y, and 2x minus x is x minus y. Okay, this is equation number 2. Are we on a right track? Are we on a right track? I think yes. Okay, chalo, chalo. Now watch carefully. Now watch carefully. Okay. अब असली solution will start here. Now what I will do is, now what I am doing is, I am adding equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 I am adding. Okay, so what is my left hand side? What is my left hand side? If I remember it correctly, it is a plus 3x, isn't it? A plus 3x. Okay, ये वाला देखो, a plus 3x upon a minus 3x. Yes, a plus 3x upon a minus 3x plus a plus 3y upon a minus 3y. So this is the left hand side. What is right hand side? 3y plus x upon y minus x plus what is right hand side of equation number 2? 3x plus y upon x minus y. Okay, okay, a little problem here. 3y plus x upon y minus x plus 3x plus y. Okay, do you remember b minus a को अगर आपको a minus b लिखना है, how do you do that? Okay, it is not equal क्योंकि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में a नेगेटिव है, राइट साइड में पॉजिटिव, यार लेफ्ट साइड में b पॉजिटिव है, वो राइट साइड में b नेगेटिव. सो व्हाट यू डू इज ये ब्रैकेट डालकर यू पुट अ माइनस साइन. So x minus y ko, okay, this is y minus x. To equalize the denominator, I am converting this to y minus x. So I have to take this minus sign. Look here, this plus and this minus will become minus. Okay, yes, we are almost close to our answer. Okay, so denominator ban gaya y minus x. Okay. Wait, otherwise, just to avoid a confusion, 3y plus x upon y minus x, plus minus becomes minus, okay, y minus x, and this is 3x plus y. So y minus x is common, and add this, subtract this, 3y plus x, okay, two terms, so you put in a bracket, minus से sign bracket open करेंगे तो plus 3x become minus 3x plus y become minus y. So what is this? 3y minus y. 3y minus y. Isn't it 2y? X minus 3x. X minus 3x. This is what? Minus 2x upon what? Y minus x. Look here now. Okay, काफी बड़ा solution. Look here now. 2 is common. 2 commonly here. So what is this? Y minus x upon y minus x. And as I have told you, this get cancelled and your answer is 2. So there are 3 questions. Okay, there are 3 questions. कोई भी question हो आपका answer same होगा. That is 2. I hope you can see this question. Okay, if you want, you can take out a snapshot for your future reference, or don't worry, I'll share this file in a description box. I will definitely share in a description box. Are you getting it? But to get a correct answer, see, there are many steps. You have used componendo and dividendo twice, and you have got equation number 1 and equation number 2, then adding equation 1 and 2. Now how do you deal with these terms? Okay, यहाँ पर जो है एक चैप्टर पढ़ा होगा आप लोगों ने 6th या 7th स्टैंडर्ड में, रैशनल अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. हाउ डू यू डील विद योर एक्सप्रेशंस? ओके, प्लस साइन, माइनस साइन, यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. एक एक स्टेप ध्यान देकर करना है, तब आपको ये आंसर करेक्ट आएगा. हैव यू एंजॉयड दिस सम, whether a 9th sum, 10th sum or 11th sum? See here, I have solved 11th wala sum. Okay, 9th or 10th, I will I want you all to try 9th and 10th. Okay, this is as your assignment, as your homework. Okay, अगर आपको ये नहीं आया तो type that in a chat box. Okay, maybe I'll prepare the answer and I'll try to upload in the description box. But I am sure, I am confident कि अगर आपको ये समझ में आया है तो you can definitely do the other questions also. Right? Let me know. Let me know अगर आपको समझ में आया है तो another 10-15 minutes and we are done with our class. We are done with our class. Okay, let me know, have you understood? Yes or no, then I can start the next question. Yes. Okay, Dishita Joshi is saying yes sir, understood. Here we go, next question. These are PYQs. These are PYQ means previous. Okay, it is very important. ये 2018 में question आया था. If you see 2020 का question paper, before you attempt your board examination, I will highly recommend, solve a question of 2020. It was really a tough question. तो ऐसा नहीं मैथ्स का पेपर डिफिकल्ट आता है. ओके, दैट वाज रियली अ टफ नट टू क्रैक ईयर 2020. एनीवे, पिछले 2-3 साल का क्वेश्चन पेपर क्वेश्चंस अगर आप लोग सॉल्व करेंगे तो यू गेट एन आइडिया कि एग्जामिनर का मूड क्या है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग. ओके, नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन पूछा था उन्होंने. ओके, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. लेट अस ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस. ओके, देखो बड़ा वैल्यू दिया, नथिंग न्यू, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन अ क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. ये क्वेश्चन है. स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन. एज आई टोल्ड यू इन रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन you generally start with the given information. Then what? M plus 2n, m 7m plus 2n, 7 minus 2n. Okay, we have to find out. बड़ा वाला value दिया है, बड़ा ratio दिया है. You have to find out a value of a smaller ratio. Okay, use component and dividend by component and dividend. तो अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्या करना है, just use component and dividend. Okay, component and dividend of property. What is that property? Numerator 7m plus 2n plus denominator 7m minus 2n upon numerator 7m plus 2n minus denominator 7m minus 2n is equal to what? Same thing here. Okay, numerator 5 plus denominator 3 and numerator minus denominator 5 minus 3. प्लस में क्या होगा? ओके, व्हेन यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट नो चेंज इन द साइन. ओके, प्लस 2n माइनस 2n कैंसल. डिनोमिनेटर में 7m माइनस 7m कैंसल. सो यू गेट 7m प्लस 7m इज 14m. Okay, when you open this bracket, minus and minus will become plus. So 2n plus 2n is 4n is equal to what? 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is what? This is what? चलो मैं एक काम करता हूँ. M upon n. I want m is to n. M upon n is what? 8 into 4 upon 2. 8 upon 2 था, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन से 4 in the numerator, 14 in the denominator. So 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 7 is 14. So my answer is 8 by. Okay, answer is 8 by 7, isn't it? Isn't it? 4 into 2 is 8 and 1 into 7 is 7. Now look at the question. Question is in a form of a ratio. So I'll write my answer in a ratio. Otherwise, teacher may deduct my 1 mark for not writing the answer in the manner which is asked in the examination. Right? Yes, this is important question. Definitely important question. Okay. Now m square plus n square upon m square minus n square. So very easy question. I have m upon n as how much? 8 by 7. Are you getting the correct answer? Let me know. Are you getting the correct same answer as I am getting? 8 is to 7. Have you gone anywhere wrong? 7 by 2. Yes, correct. Okay, now what? I'll take square on both the sides. Therefore, m square upon n square is what? 8 ka square is 64. 7 ka square is what? 49. And componendo and dividendo. I already have written componendo and dividendo, तो बार बार सम में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. एक ही बार लिखा, that's more than enough. Then directly use this property. M square plus n square upon m square minus n square is what? 64 plus 49 upon 64 minus 49. How much? Chalo type karo answer. I am waiting for your answer. Chalo type the answer here. I am waiting for your answer. Okay, what is the answer? Let me know. Okay, सिर्फ अटेंड कर रहे हैं कि रियली यू आर विथ योर नोटबुक एंड पेन. You must be attending your class on laptop or mobile phone, right? तो क्या कैल्सी यूज करेंगे व्हाट? कम ऑन ऐड, कितना टाइम लगेगा? 9 plus 4 is what? 13. 6 and 4 is 10 and 1 is 11. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 is what? 5. Upon 15. 113 upon 15. Is it 14? कैसे 14? No, not 14. 15, right? Are you getting same answer? Are you getting same answer? Dishita Joshi. 14. How 14? No. How minus 14? Okay, bigger number is in the numerator, smaller number is denominator. Bigger number is 64. Sign is positive. So ratio will be positive. Ratio will be positive, not negative. Yes. Yes. Rajvi Tare, I have corrected her answer. Amogus correct. Smarty correct. Butterfly correct. Gom Pakir. Okay, whatever name. Okay, fine. चलो और एक क्वेश्चन, अगला क्वेश्चन. फाइन, ये इजी था. देखो बोर्ड एग्जाम में आई टोल्ड यू क्वेश्चन विच आई एम टेकिंग दैट विल बी 5 to 10% मोर डिफिकल्ट एज कंपेयर टू बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, तो बोर्ड एग्जाम में हमारे जैसे ही क्वेश्चन आएंगे या मे भी थोड़े से स्लाइटली इजी आएंगे. ओके, सॉल्व फॉर एक्स. एक्स का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन एंड आई एम यूजिंग प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ कंपोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो. Componendo and dividendo. Okay, numerator plus denominator. Okay, numerator root 5x plus under root 2x plus 6 plus denominator root 5x minus under root 2x minus 6. Same terms. Okay, only numerator minus denominator root 5x minus root 2x minus 6 is equal to what? 4. No denominator, so consider as 1. 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1. Plus and minus got cancelled. Root 5x. Okay, this root covers both 5 and x. Plus root 5x is twice root 5x. And this get cancelled. This is plus and minus will become plus. So this is twice under root 2x minus 6 is what? 5 upon 3. Isn't it 5 upon 3? Yes. Now take squares on both sides. Take squares on both sides, right? So root and square cancel. What is my answer? It is 5x upon 2x minus 6 is equal to 25 upon 9, isn't it? 5 square is 29. Okay, cross multiply. 25 into 2. Okay, दो टर्म है, दोनों से multiply होगा. Put a bracket. 25 into 2 is what? 50x. 25 into 6 is what? 150. And 9 into 5 is what? 45x. Therefore, 50x minus 45x is equal to what? Minus 150. Go that side, becomes plus 150. So this is 5x is equal to 150. Dividing both sides by 5. Therefore, solve for x. My value of x is 30. 5 into 3 is 15. X is equal to 30. Are you getting same answer or something else? I am sure this answer is correct. Okay, just go through it. Have you understood this? Let me know. Hello, yes, sir. Hello, okay, sir. Are you getting same answer? Type your answer in a chat box. Are you getting 30 or something else? Type your answer in a chat box. Type your answer in a chat box. Yes, Dishita, x is equal to 30. What about the other students? Type your answer in a chat box. Smarty, x is equal to 30. Butterfly, x is equal to 30. Okay, very good, very good. Two more sum and that's it. This question was asked in 2020. Okay. 2080 दो क्वेश्चन आए थे, 2090 also two question, and last two questions also from 2020. Right? Okay. Solve for x. जरा ध्यान से देखो क्वेश्चन को, क्या करे, टेल मी, क्या करे, क्या करे, क्या करे. ओके, क्या करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन में, कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, नो आइडिया, नो क्लू, तो चलो ठीक है. स्टार्ट विद अ क्वेश्चन. स्टार्ट विद दिस क्वेश्चन. कुछ सूझ नहीं रहा है तो आई एम यूजिंग कंपोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो. बाय componendo and dividendo, what will happen? Okay, therefore x square plus 2x numerator plus denominator 2x plus 4 अपॉन न्यूमरेटर माइनस डिनोमिनेटर, माइनस से जब ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो दोनों साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. ओके, माइनस 4x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 3y. प्लस से ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे, नो चेंज इन द साइन, बट माइनस से ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो देयर विल बी चेंज इन अ साइन. ये भी बिकम, दिस पॉजिटिव 3y विल बिकम नेगेटिव 3y, प्लस y विल बिकम negative 3y. I hope you have understood this. I have used a shortcut, right? And plus 2x minus 2x cancel, plus 3y minus 3y. This is what? This is x square plus 4x plus 4 upon this is x square minus 4. This is y square. 3 plus 3 is 6y plus 9 upon y square minus 9. 4 is 4 and 9 both are perfect square, right? अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, यू कैन सॉल्व बाय सम अदर मेथड ऑल्सो. डिविडेंड वगैरह से भी कर सकते थे. ओके, सो ये फॉर्मूला है किसका है, x प्लस 2 द होल स्क्वायर. चेक आउट दिस x प्लस 2 द होल स्क्वायर. Isn't it a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square? On using that formula you are getting x square plus 4x plus 4. And what is this? X square minus 2 square. So this is x plus 2 and x minus 2. Correct? And this is formula of y plus 3 the whole square. And y square minus 3 square is y plus 3, y minus 3. तो क्या करेंगे, x प्लस 2 और ये स्क्वायर कैंसिल, y प्लस 3. ओके, न्यूमरेटर में 2y3 है, डिनोमिनेटर में 1, तो एक एक कैंसिल होगा, न्यूमरेटर में 1 ही बचेगा. देयरफॉर x प्लस 2 अपॉन x माइनस 2 is equal to what, y plus 3 upon y minus 3. You can, again I am saying, you can solve this by some other method also, by only componendo or dividendo, but मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि कुछ नहीं समझ में आएगा, just start with componendo and dividendo, most likely you will get the answer. Okay, now what, again componendo and dividendo. By componendo and dividendo, what do I get? x plus 2 plus x minus 2, न्यूमरेटर प्लस डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, अपॉन न्यूमरेटर माइनस डिनोमिनेटर, लेकिन माइनस से जब ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे पॉजिटिव x विल बिकम नेगेटिव x एंड नेगेटिव 2 विल बिकम पॉजिटिव 2. राइट हैंड साइड ऑल्सो सेम, y plus 3 plus y minus 3 upon y plus 3 minus y and plus y minus y will become plus 3 will become minus 3 will become plus 3, right? So here 2 and 2 cancel, denominator में x and x cancel, here plus 3 minus 3 cancel, plus y minus y cancel, x plus x is 2x upon 2 plus 2 is 4, y plus y is 2y, 3 plus 3 is what, 6. Cross multiplication, x upon y, that is what I want na, x is 2y is what, okay, x upon y, 2 upon 6 है, 4 goes this side and 2 comes here, correct na? X upon y, it is cross multi, 2 and 2 get cancelled, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. I want ratio, therefore x is to y is 2:3. Answer is 2:3. Isn't it? Are you getting same answer? Are you getting same answer? Any doubt, any difficulty? Yes, Dishita Joshi, the x is to 2 is 2:3. Correct na? 2:3. One last question, that's it. One last question and that's it. Right? Okay, कितने बच्चे लोग बचे और कितने भाग गए? Okay, good number of students. Okay, good number of students. Because exams तो बहुत बाद में है. जब एग्जाम आएगी तो वी विल बी हैविंग 2,000 स्टूडेंट्स अटेंडिंग आवर क्लास. बट अभी 20 भी आ गए तो भी बहुत है. राइट, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू लास्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay. Let's see here. What is a given information? This x is equal to, and prove that. This is a proof. Okay, x के डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है, take 1. x के डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है, 1. What to do? समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Directly use componendo and dividendo. By componendo and dividendo. What? Numerator x plus denominator 1 upon numerator x minus denominator 1 is equal to what? Right side में. Okay, numerator under root 2a plus 1 plus under root 2a minus 1. Numerator plus denominator is 2a plus 1 minus under root 2a minus 1. Same thing here, root 2a plus 1 plus root 2a minus 1 numerator. Only difference is this minus sign upon root 2a plus 1 minus root 2a minus 1. So this is what? X plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to what? This plus and minus got cancelled. This plus and this minus got cancelled. Under root 2a plus 1 plus under root 2a plus 1 is twice 2 root under root 2a plus 1. And this is twice under root 2a minus 1. Now this minus and minus will become plus. What minus? Minus 1. Not plus, it is minus 1. 2 and 2 got cancelled. What I will do is, ये root है, इसको हटाने के लिए मैं क्या करूँगा? उसका opposite operation, which is square. So taking squares on both sides. What am I getting? तो ये मिला मुझे x plus 1 the whole square. Same formula, a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? I hope आप लोगों को ये आता है. Okay, and a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 2a plus 1 upon 2a minus 1. क्या करते? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन नहीं, और एक बार यूज करेंगे हम लोग कंपोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो. ओके, बाय componendo and dividendo. राइट, तो क्या मिलेगा? तो हमको मिलेगा एक्स स्क्वायर न्यूमरेटर प्लस डिनोमिनेटर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2x प्लस 1 अपॉन न्यूमरेटर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1 minus denominator x square minus 2x plus 1. Here also numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. I told you, okay, 2020, year 2020 ka paper was very challenging. See here, when I open the bracket, x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 1. प्लस से ब्रैकेट ओपन किया, नो चेंज, बट माइनस से ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे, माइनस से. सो एक्स स्क्वायर विल बिकम माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2x विल बिकम प्लस 2x एंड प्लस विल बिकम माइनस. हियर आल्सो सेम थिंग, 2x प्लस 1 प्लस से ब्रैकेट ओपन किया, नो चेंज इन द साइन, बट डिनोमिनेटर 2a प्लस 1 माइनस से पॉजिटिव 2a 1 बिकेम नेगेटिव 2a माइनस 1 बिकेम प्लस 1. सी हियर माइनस 2x प्लस 2x कैंसिल. Here x square minus x square plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2a minus 2a. X square plus x square is 2x square. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Upon what? 2x plus 2x is 4x. is equal to what? 2a plus 2a is 4a and 1 plus 1 is 2. क्या करते हैं? क्या करेंगे? Let us cross multiply. 2, okay, 2 terms, so put a bracket. 2 into 2x square is 4x square, okay. 2 into 2 is what? 4 is equal to what? 4 into 4 is 16ax. Okay, I see I can divide each term by 4. I can divide each term by 4. So what am I getting? I think I am getting my answer. X square plus 1 is equal to, okay, 4 and 4 cancel 1, 4 and 4 cancel 1, 4 into 4 is equal to 4ax. Is this what I have to prove? Okay, nahi. Therefore, okay, where is question? हाँ, देखो क्या प्रूव करना है मुझे. This. So I have x square, yes, plus 4x. Ax is on right hand side, it will become to left hand side, will become minus 4ax plus 1 is equal to 0. This is exactly what I want. तो क्या मेरा solution हो गया? Yes, only I have to give my autograph. That is hence proved. Okay, so this was the last sum. Okay, this was the last sum. I will definitely save this. Okay, and I will put the solution in the description box. I hope you have understood this. Okay, any doubt, any difficulty, you can write me what chapter do you want next. Anyway, agla chapter hum log next time when I come live, okay, I'll take the proportion part. Proportion part is not as easy as this. Ratio and proportion में we have seen 15 questions, but सारे के सारे same थे. Okay, तो proportion is quite challenging, but हम लोग उसको एकदम easy बनाकर पढ़ने वाले हैं. Okay, एकदम easy बनाकर पढ़ेंगे, right? Have you understood it? Have you understood it? Can I end my class? Let me know. Write good night in a chat box if you have nothing. Okay, no doubt, nothing. Okay, please don't forget. Please don't forget to write ki what do you want next. Do you want physics or chemistry or biology or history or geography or English, or should I continue with maths in my class? I am thinking I should continue with maths. First, I will complete proportion, and you can type in a chat box what do you want next. Okay, so Smarty asking about my website. So if you want to visit my website, it is, but you will not find anything on a website. Website में आज such कुछ दिया नहीं है important. But if you want my website, it is www.prepwin.in. Okay, prepwin.in, or you can go to a Play Store, or you can go to a Play Store and you can download this app PrepWin. Okay, here, see, I have just started. This was my first live session. This was my first live session. Okay, तो as time passes on, okay, बहुत सारी चीजें मैं अपलोड करने वाला हूँ on my website. Some important courses are also coming up. Entire courses for the entire year. So please check that out also. Okay. So yes, finally, Dishida Joshi, good night. Butterfly, good night. Elon Musk, good night. Gom Pakirio, okay. Good night. Smarty, good night. Good night. Okay, good night to all of you. Bye, bye, bye. See you tomorrow. Okay, see you in my next class. Okay, watch my another videos also. Okay, keep on checking out my other videos as well. Okay, chalo, bye. Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night.